first of all, when you do a renovation, there's so many things that are unseen
Yes.
or unforeseen.
Yes.
Especially cost, timing, everything like that. So, to tear something down and to rebuild it is a lot of work. It doesn't take like 3 months. It's been over a year. But you think one thing, you're going to do one thing, and then plans change.
Yeah.
And you want to do more. And then I find that when everybody does like finishes or stuff like that, the interior works, it's just like anything goes.
Yeah.
Like you can take forever to do cabinetry. You could spend everything, right? A lot of money to do things. And it's like, what's going on, right?
Yeah.
So that's a lot of stress, right?
It is.
And if you want to see it, I posted on my Instagram and other social media, but you can follow along.
Yeah.
But that's, it's a lot of things are happening. There are a lot of moving parts, but so Joe was doing this at the same time.
I don't know
right?
how you're doing it, bro.
And all I remember is say, you're calling me up, you're all stressed out, and I'm very calm.
Yeah.
Because I do this for a living.
That's true.
And I've been doing it for like 25 years.
And that's what I keep saying to him. I don't know how you do this for a living.
No, actually, like 25 some odd years, right?
Yeah.
And it's like, nothing phases me anymore.
Yeah. Because
So
you've
it's like,
seen it.
oh, the guy didn't do this or whatever. I'm like, okay, it's what it is. It happened. What are you gonna do, right? But again, it's like, it always happens the same for every job.
Yeah.
And it's like, why? Why is it like in the industry? It's like, the trades are gonna be late. They're not gonna deliver on time.
Yeah.
Why not? Oh, it's gonna go over budget because of this, that. Why?
But why? Why
Why
do we have
is
to lower
that?
the expectations?
But that's right. But it's every single time.